Welcome to our comprehensive guide to the best website builders in 2025, where we will compare Wix Studio, Webflow, and Framer. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the key features and benefits of each platform, helping you decide which one is best for your needs. First, let's start with Wix Studio, a popular website builder known for its ease of use and drag-and-drop functionality. Wix Studio offers a wide range of templates and design tools, making it perfect for beginners and small businesses. It also has a built-in e-commerce platform, allowing you to create online stores with ease. Next, we have Webflow, a more advanced website builder that offers a high degree of customization and flexibility. Webflow is ideal for designers and developers who want to create complex and interactive websites. It also has a built-in content management system, making it easy to manage and update your website. Lastly, we have Framer, a website builder that specializes in creating interactive and responsive websites. Framer is perfect for designers who want to create complex and animated websites. It also has a built-in design system, making it easy to create consistent and cohesive designs. Now, let's compare the three website builders. Wix Studio is best for beginners and small businesses, while Webflow is ideal for designers and developers. Framer is perfect for designers who want to create interactive and responsive websites. In terms of pricing, Wix Studio offers a free plan, as well as several paid plans starting at $14 per month. Webflow offers a free plan, as well as several paid plans starting at $12 per month. Framer offers a free trial, as well as several paid plans starting at $15 per month. When it comes to ease of use, Wix Studio is the clear winner, with its drag-and-drop functionality and user-friendly interface. Webflow and Framer are more advanced and require some design and development knowledge. In conclusion, the best website builder in 2025 depends on your specific needs and goals. If you're a beginner or small business, Wix Studio may be the best choice. If you're a designer or developer, Webflow or Framer may be the better option. Remember to consider factors such as pricing, ease of use, and features when making your decision. By choosing the right website builder, you can create a professional and effective website that meets your needs and helps you achieve your goals.